Hello friends, welcome back to the Windy video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends, we are going to talk about guys oppo phone setting guys, and today friends I am going to show you guys how to turn off notification ringtone sound. Friends, you want to off your notification sound. So friends, how to off notification sound today friends I am going to show you in this video. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video guys. So friends, open your phone setting. After on phone setting, how to turn off notification sound. Friends, click on guys your oppo phone sound and vibration setting. After on phone sound and vibration, friends you can see phone vibrate on ring setting, vibrate silent setting. So friends, we'll click on my phone notification sound. So friends, we'll click on guys this non option. Friends, you want to first of all guys you want to set and you want to change your notification sound. So you can set and change. And friends, you can see notification custom sound. Friends, you have already set any custom sound, so friends, you can change. So friends, I don't want to use any custom ringtone. I don't want to use guys phone notification ringtone sound. So friends, I will click on this no option. Let's tap here. Come back. Friends, you can see we don't have notification ringtone sound. You can see notification sound is off. So like that guy, we can turn off notification ringtone sound. And friends, you can see guys your phone message tune. Message tune friends, you also want to off. So friends, tap here. No option friends, tap here, and friends your notification ringtone sound will off and message tone will off. So both of ringtone will off on your oppo phone device. And friends, you can off with shortcut setting also. So let's see how to use it. Open your phone setting, direct friends, click on search option, notification setting guys. Notification sound, friends, tap here, direct friends, you can off your notification sound. And friends, you want to on, so I select any ringtone, your notification sound will on, and friends, you can use it. So as I want to off guys, I don't want to use, so I will off it. So like that we can turn off guys notification ringtone sound, and we can off message sound also. So bye guys, thanks for watching the video.